Hello and welcome to this video tutorial brought to you by the PDSD Post-Primary Maths team. This video will look at how a teacher can create an assignment in Google Classroom, attach files and links to an assignment, and communicate with students about the assignment. This video is partly a response to requests received from maths teachers for support in this area. As an example, we are going to look at how to create an assignment for Lesson 1 of a calculus unit. As the teacher, I've decided on my learning intentions for the lesson, and these are shown here. To address these learning intentions, I have a worksheet ready, and there is an associated video to support students who need help. Now, I'm ready to create an assignment, so I go to my class. You may want to watch our earlier video on how to set up Classroom, but this video assumes that has been done. So, I can click on my Classroom icon here, but mine is already open. If I want to, I can quickly check whether all my students have joined the class. If I click on People, I see that 3 students have joined, accepted the invitation. 1 has yet to accept the invitation. If I want to, I can send them an email reminder, and I can also always add more students. Okay. So giving instructions that are as clear as possible is really important in distance learning. Now I'm ready to communicate with all the students in my class to assign them some work that I want them to submit with an associated deadline. So I go to Classwork, Create, Assignment. I plan to send them a worksheet and a link to a supporting video. So I've given the assignment a title and I've put in my instructions trying to make them as clear as possible. I'm going to attach a Google Doc. I could equally attach a Word document or a PDF, but I have a doc prepared, so it's in the drive. So if I go Add from Google Drive, here's my worksheet. So I select it and click Add. So that's there that students can view. And what I also have here is a text link to the video, which could be a bit awkward for some students if they're using their phone, or I'd like to add a link instead. So if I copy that piece of text there and go Control C, and if I come back here and go Add Link and Control V to paste. So now when the student opens the assignment, they can just click on that link to get the video rather than copying in the piece of text there. Okay, now I want to assign this to all students rather than just a particular selection, so I'll leave that at all students. I'm not interested in assigning points at this stage, so I'll leave it ungraded. Now I want to set a date that it's due. So to select a date, I need to click on this little down arrow and pick a date. If I want it done by a particular time, I can click in here and choose the time, but I'll leave that for now. Now I'm not interested in rubrics or topics for now. Back up here, I can assign it straight away if I'm ready. I can schedule it to be assigned during the week or whenever I want. I can also save it as a draft if I'm not quite finished my instructions. But I'm ready to assign, so if I click Assign, it will be assigned to all my students and they will receive an email telling them that there is an assignment. So it appears here in my classwork. It also appears here in the stream. We'll say more about the stream shortly. And it appears over here on the left as something that's coming up in the close future. And if I go back here to classwork, if I think, oh no, I need to change something, I can click here, edit. I can change my instructions title, or I can change anything. So I'll X out of that again. Okay. So I've been as clear as I can in my instructions, but some students might still have questions or queries about the assignment, so they can always email the teacher directly. What they can also do is post to the stream. So if I refresh here, now in my stream, I see one of my make-believe students has put in a comment. So there's the comment. I can see it. The student who posted it can see it, but every student in the class can also see it. So the question is, should I use the coordinate geometry formula or can I use rise over run to get the slope for question 2? So I can respond to that and everyone in the class will see my response. Also other students can post a response. So in this video we looked at how a teacher can create an assignment in Google Classroom, attach files and links to an assignment and communicate with students about the assignment. We hope you found it useful and we have plenty more videos to support you in using Google Classroom to teach maths. Bye for now.